Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to wrap furniture and change color of furniture. So as you can see, this wardrobe is woodish and I want it to be white. So what I done was I went and got white vinyl wrap, and all you got to do is literally just wrap it like you would wrap a car. But obviously this is so much more simpler. So what I've done so far is I've taken this door off, and taken that door off, and can't lie, I sanded it down a bit, some of the rough areas, don't mind that. This is actually a perfect example of how you could upcycle furniture by wrapping as well, because as you can see, there's a bit of wear and tear on that. So what you want to do is measure how much you need of the vinyl, and then you make some cuts and then you stick it on, and I'll let you guys see the whole process. So as you can see, I have flipped it over and stretched it along the front door. And yeah, now I just want to make some markings so I know where everything would be, because I need to cut the excess off, which is very important because we need to fill this gap here as well. So what I'm going to do now is once you're done with marking, just want to make a cut. So at this point, what you want to do is peel the thin sheet off, the adhesive, and you want to use your squidgy, or you can use something similar to this. It's just to reduce the amount of air bubbles and get a good seal. And by the way, anyone can do this. As you can see, I've laid it down and I'm just pulling back the thin layer of adhesive at the bottom, and I'm just using this to just get it nice and flat, remove all the air bubbles. And yeah, and you're trying to keep this going all the way to the end. As you can see, this is what the first door looks like. I have completely transformed it. Already looks nice. I'm thinking about a nice pattern to have, maybe white, leave that the same, and then white there again, or completely white. But yeah, we'll figure it out as we go. I'm gonna move on to that door now. So now it's time for me to do the second door. That's what the first one's looking like. Looks amazing, love it. Now it's time for me to do the second door, and I'm just gonna time lapse the whole thing as I have explained to you what you have to do for the first door. Time lapse there, and then I'll show you the final product. what the final product looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. I'll be honest with you, when you walk into the room, it has absolutely changed the aesthetics of the room. And honestly guys, I do hope that you press the subscribe button, the like button, and comment down below. Sorry about the dirty mirror, but we's out.